In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to increase your SoFi credit card limit. If you're looking to expand your purchasing power with your SoFi credit card, the process is quite straightforward and I'm here to guide you through it. First, it's important to actively use your SoFi credit card for your regular purchases. This means integrating it into your daily transactions, whether it's buying groceries, paying for gas, or settling monthly subscription services. The key here is consistent usage, which demonstrates to SoFi that you rely on their card and are an active customer. Next, one of the most crucial steps is to always pay your bills on time. Timely payments not only help you avoid unnecessary late fees and interest, but also contribute significantly to maintaining a good payment history. This is something that SoFi, like most financial institutions, pays close attention to when considering a credit limit increase. Additionally, make sure to update your income information in the SoFi app or on their website. If you've recently gotten a raise or started earning more income, it's essential to let SoFi know. Increased earnings can positively influence your credit worthiness, making it more likely for SoFi to consider you for a credit limit boost. Another interesting aspect of SoFi's approach is that they may automatically review your account for a credit limit increase. This often happens if you show responsible usage and maintain good credit behavior over time. So even if you don't actively request an increase, your responsible habits might prompt SoFi to extend one to you. However, if you prefer a more proactive approach, you can directly contact SoFi customer support to request a credit limit increase. This is generally advisable after you've built a solid payment history with them. When you contact them, be prepared to discuss your reasons for requesting the increase and perhaps even provide updated income information to support your request. And that's it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to increasing your SoFi credit card limit. Remember, the process is as much about demonstrating your reliability and financial responsibility as it is about using the card. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your financial flexibility with SoFi.